friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see different professions in German. This is part 2. On my channel, there is a video called Different Profession, that was part 1. In that video, we had seen some 12 names of professions or 12 professions. Now in this video also, we'll see 12 more professions in German. So first thing is, actually in German language, this profession for male and female, it changes. The name of the profession, it changes, unlike in English. So this is the main difference. And then in female profession, you can say most of the times IN is added at the end of the name of the profession. Plus, in some cases, umlaut is also added on one of the vowels. So this is the major change or major, you can say the major difference in English as well as German professions. So we'll start with the video. So first one is software developer. For software developer, there is a word in German called Softwareentwickler. For male software developer, and for female it is Softwareentwicklerin. Actually, Entwickler meaning developer. So for that matter, any developer, you can say, you have to add this Entwickler, right? For Java developer or for that matter, for any developer. So this is very important profession nowadays. So it is very basic and important profession, software developer. Then for architect, it is architect only. Only thing is spelling is different. And for female architect, it is architecturine, right? So after the slash, always remember that it is the female profession, okay? Now for lawyer, it is Rechtsanwalt, okay? It is Rechtsanwalt. And for female, it is Rechtsanwältin. So this is the difference. Here also IN is also added, plus umlaut is added on A, right? For judge, it is Richter and Richterin. Chef, Koch or Köchin. Translator, it is Übersetzer or Übersetzerin. Police officer, Polizist or Polizistin. Hairdresser, it is Frisier or Friseurin. Baker, it is Bäcker or Bäckerin. The spelling is different, but very much similar to English. Politician, it is Politica, Politikerin. Again, very much similar to English. Consultant, Berater or Beraterin. Bank cashier, it is Bankkassier or Bankkassierin. If you see here, the spelling of bank is same, but the pronunciation will be Bank in German. Okay. So these are the very important professions, 12 important professions. We have seen it today in German and their meanings and their pronunciations. So again, there will be part 3 also for professions. So we'll see that also very soon. That's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.